probably so. What about this like? Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna have. And I might as well, I was gonna say brunch if I'm having breakfast, or I'm just gonna have lunch. So, what is for lunch? I don't know. Oh guys, I may make a little bit of pancake to go with the watermelon. I just grabbed these by Bob's Red Mill Buttermilk Pancake. They're not vegan, they're not plant-based, but they're good. I just gotta add some water, so they should be like a quick cooker. I'm gonna do it, y'all. I haven't had pancakes in a little bit, so already seasoned. But what I do, I still take a cloth and kind of wipe over the and then sometimes I'll rinse it off with a little, you know, salt. I mean, I don't say salt. Some soapy water, salt water. That'll be a new one. But this is pretty much clean. Just put it down there. I'm gonna have it on low. I'm gonna whip up a little bit of pancake. Yes, I am. All right, so just add water is fine with me. Sausage, do I want the sausages? Nope, I'm gonna make turkey bacon real quick. Now this is some God Schultz. Because I buy different brands of turkey bacon, as long as it's uncured, have no nitrites and no nitrates in it, because those are cancer-causing ingredients. Not preserved, keep refrigerated. And it's some small fine print I can't see. Something about naturally occurring and seasoned. Turkey thigh and turkey chopped and formed. I like that when they tell you what parts of the turkey they cut up. All natural, real wood smoke, 75% less fat than USDA data for pork bacon, and 45 calories per serving. Oh, let me let you see the brand, just in case you want to look for it. Now I get these two other brands I get too. Just can't think of them right now. I'm gonna put, so I need to put those on. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Sometimes I put a little butter. It's an herbal tea over here, so I got herb everywhere. This is something my daughter purchased. I can't remember what it was. Keep it right there. Oh, I think that's a seasoning herb. That's why she got it by the oil. Okay. You just need a drop. I just put a drop of oil. And that's gonna get hot, but I'm getting my pieces together. You know, I'm not a paper plate person, but I do like those, the cardstock type of paper plates. They're thicker for company because, like I said, sometimes you just get tired of doing those things. Back in the day, you just wash. But I don't have any. I love the sound of china. I don't know what it is. It just, I don't know. It just sounds nice and inviting, and I don't even know a word to describe it, but I love the sound of china. When I tell people, they're like, really? I'm like, yes. Now I've heard other people say it, but since I was young, I don't know, I think it gave me the feeling of just being in a nice, fancy restaurant, and just the sound of people cooking in the back, because I do love to cook, and just the sound of them doing things in the back. It just sounds great. Like, I'm the type, I like to go in the back and hang out with the chefs. What y'all doing back here? And learn some things. Okay, I'm just gonna get 2 pieces back. Yep, learn some things. See, when you're nice can open up doors for you. I've had wonderful conversations with people because I was nice. And I talked to them and I said, hello. No, but I love people, so I think other people can feel that. So I'm putting a little bit of olive oil for my pancakes. And I'm gonna add some butter with that. I have plant-based butter, as you guys know, I cook with. This time I got the steaks. Now I'm gonna mix this up. I think I'm so accustomed to using bags now, they're so easily open, especially the ones that got the zip lock on it. Again, let me see. That's enough pancake. Gotta make sure it's not hot enough here, no zip lock part, so I can zip it back up easily. As you know how that do. Sometimes it's hard to get it back closed. But what I do to reassure there's no critters in here. Wait, I feel a little bit of too much air. Okay. I I'll put a band or something around it just to keep it from thick. It's kind of thick because I'm going to add a little bit of, stuff can come already ready, and I always got to add extra in it. This time I'm just going to throw some oat milk in here. Shake well. I'm just going to add a drop. That's it. And then, you hear that turkey cooking? That turkey's cooking. I'm going to add some vanilla flavor. Sometimes I put lemon flavor, almond flavor in the pancakes. You could do that too in the pancakes. I'm not measuring, guys. I'm just put some drops in there. Stir it up. So like that grease is ready. And it's good to leave the pancakes, but if you can leave a little bit of the small lumps in it, it's fine. They said that's the best way to make it. I learned it when I was young, and I'm like, okay, don't have to be deep. I just want to put some butter mixed with this oil. You're probably going to hear some frying right now. A little bit. The handles of the cast iron pan, so this way you won't burn yourself. Turkey bacon, I think about it here. Now remember, that's fully cooked. Because I've gone to people's house and they're cooking that turkey bacon like they're making pork bacon. Talking about till it's done. I'm like, it's fully cooked already. It really is. You're just really heating it up. I can see if you want it a little light golden, because I have a little light golden color to it. But don't cook it to death till it's hard. At least I don't like it that way. I'm like, ugh. Hard turkey bacon? Just don't taste the same. Hard pork bacon? Different story. I want this thing nice and hot. I turn it down just a little bit because I didn't want nothing the butter to burn. And I want to clean as I go along. I'm going to turn off this bacon because it's really done already. I just got to put it in the pot first. Okay, looks like this is ready. Because I like my edges to be crispy. Yeah. You cannot see my face too much, okay? Cook up, cook up. Yeah. Now, I didn't really want it this thin. It came out first, it was real thick. I usually put 3 in here, but I didn't move this over enough. I didn't put it in at the right time, so it's okay. I'm going to take this turkey bacon. Doesn't matter how much oil I have on it, I still like to drain it. Right? I don't want oily stuff. Nice and brown, golden brown, and hot. All right, pancakes. I just thought about this diner that me and my daughter went to. Oh, their food is good. It reminded me of New York. One of the owners who founded the place is from New York, Italian guy. And he gave us the history of the restaurant, and somebody was telling him to come down. There's some land down in Marietta, Georgia. And he said, he didn't think much of it because they had a restaurant in New York. And because he didn't think about moving to Georgia. And he said he fell in love with the land, and they built the diner on it. Look at me mixing up stuff. There we go. Now I'm making fancy pancakes. I mean, they're nice and neat. They're nice and neat. Let me some right here in the middle. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's a pretty color. Some of you probably see it from there. Look at that. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. And I'm going to use, I need some more oil in there in the middle. I'm going to use maple syrup. Oh, please let me have more maple. Oh, Lord, I need to put some in there. Please let me have more maple syrup. Organic maple syrup, amber color, grade A. They had this on sale at Sprouts. I can't remember how much I paid, but it was a little penny still, but it was still on sale. Because you know maple's not cheap. Another sap. Well, that looks good, guys. Ooh. Look at me, making enough food for somebody else. I tell you. Heavy-handed. Anybody else heavy-handed? Was making 2 pancakes, 3 pancakes, and end up making 4. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Okay, this here I can turn over. I'm gonna cook the next. I'm not gonna waste this. There's a little bit left in here. It came out perfect, actually. I like those good mess ups when, in spite of what you planned to do originally, sometimes things come out better. I'm doing a tutorial. I will be more descriptive, but really this was like a last minute spontaneous, as my personality is, video. And these pancakes are not thick, so I don't feel too bad about eating a few of them. All right, the last one is cooking up. Turn it down because you know that it's hot now. That's pretty too. That's pretty too. I was going to kind of take it out the rind, but you know what? I'm just going to eat it out just like this, out of the rind. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator, the rest of it. These came out pretty. Ain't so pretty. Put this butter back. I cooked it in butter. I don't need to add more. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Golden brown. Well, guys, we're going to end this here. Yep. That's my pancakes. I'm going to take a picture for the thumbnail. That's it. Got my watermelon. Aha. All right, good people. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.